Remember, you do not have to be in a relationship to be happy. In this Motivational Makeup Monday, we talk about Valentine's Day and being single. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Please stick around and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification, that way you'll be notified whenever I post. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps me out. If this is your first Motivational Makeup Mondays, let me give you a brief description. It is when I take a topic and I shed a motivational light on it while I also do my makeup. Of course, there is a playlist for you guys to check up on the other videos if you haven't seen them yet. If you want to see how I created this look and also be encouraged if you're single during Valentine's Day, make sure you keep on watching. I have already moisturized my face and I've also already primed my eyes, my eyelids. Of course, once again, I use the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. Highly recommend that. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow look for this video and start talking about this topic. The two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to use today is this Natasha Denona. This is the mini Lila palette, or Lila I think palette, and then this Urban Decay, can't remember the exact name of this palette, but it has a bunch of shimmery shades in it and it's a really fun palette to have. I'm going to start with this Luxie 243 brush, transition shade. First of all, I would just like to say that I'm not a licensed therapist or anything like that. These are just my thoughts on this topic, once again, and my advice for you guys. Okay, so raise your hand if you're that person that hates whenever Valentine's season comes around. I used to be that person. Okay, let's talk about it. Usually I am for sure that single person that hates Valentine's season because I hate being reminded that I'm alone. But this year, probably because I've changed so much, I even have a video of why I've changed so much since college that I will link for you guys. But I've changed a lot with different circumstances. If you've been following my channel, you kind of know a little bit of what's going on. My mom has cancer, is the biggest thing. But anyway, I've changed a lot, and also just turned 25 last year, and I'm not really dreading Valentine's Day as much. Now, don't get me wrong, I am still, single, but I'm really trying to rely more on God about that situation. Let me finish my eye look real quick, and then I'll come back. I applied that purple shade a little bit below where I was applying that transition shade and kind of blended them together. I also really wanted to show you this part. I'm going to be taking the shade Punk Rock. This isn't going to be your typical Valentine's Day look, but it is still going to be kind of a romantic look. You can obviously wear this whenever you want. Also, I was not planning on doing a halo eye. Apparently, we are doing a halo eye, or at least for now. We'll see how this turns out. I'm going to take this shade Angel Fire and kind of go over the other shimmery shade. This is pretty. Keep in mind that you wouldn't want to be in a relationship with the wrong person, such as being in a relationship just to not be, alone. That, I don't know, to me at least, that's just not the right reason to be in a relationship. And once again, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be in a relationship at all, but just, evaluate the situation. And I'm trying to encourage you as well, because trust me, I have experience on being single during Valentine's Day and many other holidays. Another thing is, if you are going to be tempted to scroll through social media on Valentine's Day. I scroll through social media pretty much every day, but if you know that doing that is going to make you sad, just don't scroll on social media on Valentine's Day. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying? So just maybe avoid it. Just maybe don't check up on your Instagram and all that stuff on Valentine's Day if you know it'll make you sad. And these are things that I'm telling you guys as much as I'm telling myself and kind of reminding myself. I feel like you can use this look for Valentine's Day, whether you're single or in a relationship. You can obviously, as I was saying earlier, you can obviously use this look whenever, but I do like that it's a little, I don't know, to me it's not as a traditional look. I think it's really pretty. Lately I've been into purple eyeshadow more. One of the most important things I have to tell you in this video is remember, you do not have to be in a relationship to be happy. Now, obviously, yes, you can be happy in a relationship, but you can also be happy being single as well. And that's just something that I've just especially really been, I guess, I'm not necessarily working towards, but I've really, tried to, I don't know, tried more lately, with working on my relationship with the Lord. I just want to remind you that you don't have to be in a relationship to be happy. LOL at my bad self-tan hands. Well, let's just appreciate that. I don't really want to say, or I don't know, like I want to be careful about saying, like, just remember this time is just for a season, of you being single or whatever, because I don't know that. You don't know that. The only person who knows that is the Lord. I'm not trying to say you're never going to be in a relationship, so just get used to being single. But I don't know. I just want to be realistic about the situation. I think really finding joy in the state in your life that you are in currently, if you're single, I'm trying to make sense. If you're single right now, don't think that you have to, I know I'm just kind of rephrasing it, but don't think you have to be in a relationship to be happy or to be complete or be fulfilled. Once again, obviously I would love to be in a relationship one day, but I'm not, but I'm also like working on goals and working on plans that I have and stuff right now at this time in my life while I'm single. Does that make sense? I used a Tarte blush with the Farrah 50F brush to lightly apply my blush shade. Then I applied highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones with the Ofra highlight and finished it off with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. For mascara, once again, I layered the Smashbox Superfan Mascara and the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. For lips, I used the Urban Decay Lip Liner in Rush and then the Urban Decay Lipstick in the shade Back Talk over top of it. This is a very monochromatic look, but I'm here for it. I like how it turned out. Remember, you do not have to be in a relationship to be happy. If you liked this video, I think that you'll also really like this playlist that I put together for you of my other Motivational Makeup Mondays. I recommend that you check it out. Once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.